Hello children, let's solve this 11th question in front of your screen. Let's read it. It's asking about finding the HCF and LCM of three numbers 6, 72 and 120. 6, 72 and 120. So shall we write it down? We will write down 6, 72 and 120. You have to find the HCF and LCM of these three numbers. So if I go for prime factorization or by tree method, prime factorization tree, this will be 2 times 3. Okay, for 72 it will be 2 times 36 and then 2 times 18, 2 times 9 and 3 times 3. So 72 can be written as what? This can be written as 72 can be written as 2 cube into 3 square. So this is the prime factorization of 72. And for 6 you can write it as 2 into 3, right? Okay. For 120, what you do the prime factorization tree. What? 2 times 60, 2 times 30, 2 times 15, 3 times 5. So this will be what? 2 cube, 2 cube into 3 into 5. So if you look at this, these are the prime factors. Okay, what you do is how to find HCF when you talk about highest common factor. So what you do is look at the lowest power of common factor. This should be common. It should be common for all. So do you have 2 here? Do you have 2 here? Do you have 2 here? Yes. So when we talk about highest common factor, take the lowest power of the common factor 2. Okay, whatever you are taking, okay, what is the lowest power of 2? Is 2 to the power 1, because this is 2 to the power 3, this is 2 to the power 3. So 2 to the power 1 is the lowest factor. So you take that one as 2. Then you think about other, which one is the other factor common to all 3? Is 3 available here? Yes. 3 available here? Yes. 3 available here? Yes. So you have to take the lowest power of 3 from all 3. So this is power is 1, power is 2, power is 1. So you will take power 1. 5 available here but not available in others. So obviously the highest common factor will be 2 times 3, that is 6. When I talk about LCM, lowest common multiple, see the value is lowest, that means you have to find out the highest power of every factor. Okay, so the highest power of 2 cube and 2 cube is how much? 2 cube. And 3 square and 3 is 3 square, right? And what is the highest power of 5? Even if 5 is not available, the highest power of, we can write this one as 5 to the power 0 and 5 to the power 0 in both the cases. So if you have 5, so what you do is you take that one as 5. The highest power of 5 in all 3 is that. So if something is occurring once in all 3, okay, so you should take the highest among them. So if it is occurring once here, that is okay, take 5. If it is occurring in twice, then see which one is the higher power and take that one. So this will be what? 8 into 9 into 5. So 8 5 ja 40, 4 9 ja 360. So 360 is the lowest common multiple. This is the LCM of 2 numbers. 6 is the HCF of 2 numbers. 3 numbers. What are the 3 numbers? 6, 72 and 120. Okay. So suppose someone asks you, this question is over, like you have to find out these two. But something more to it I will explain. What is it if someone asks you find the highest common factor of 72 and 120? 72 and 120 you have to find highest common factor. So what you do is, since we are talking about HCF, remember I told you for finding HCF value, what will you do? You will take the highest power of what? The factors. So if you have 2 in both of them, what is the power? Highest power you can take is 2 cube, right? And between 3 square and 3, what is the highest power you can take? Is 3 square. So this is 8 and this is 9 and this is equal to how much? 8 into, this is 3 square and this is, if it is a highest common factor, so 2 cube is going to be same, and out of 3 square and 3, it is going to be 3 only. So it's going to be only 3, right? Because for highest common factor, you have to take the lowest value. Okay, if they are same, then you put it as it is. So this will be 8 into 3. 8 3 is 24. So 24 is the highest common factor between 72 and 120. So if someone asks you the lowest common multiple, if it is a lowest common multiple, lowest means you have to take the highest power, and if they are same, you just take it as it is. Okay, and 3 square, highest is 3 square, and then out of this we have got only 5. Okay, so that is equal to 2 cube into 3 square into 5. So 8 into 9 into 5 is how much? 8 5 is 40, 4 9 is 360. So 360 is the lowest common multiple for both of them. And one more important formula that you have to remember is that product of the two numbers n1 into n2, okay, that is equal to LCM of two numbers n1 and n2 times HCF of two numbers n1 and n2. So sometimes they give you the value of LCM, they give you HCF, they will give you one number and you will have to find the other number. So for that, the 3 will be given, you insert the values of these 3 and you will get the unknown number like this. So children, this was all for this particular question, and I hope you have understood how to find highest common factor and lowest common multiple, HCF and LCM, using prime factorization method. Thank you.